We are coming for you. The warning from Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott to taxi operators using a makeshift taxi stand in the old capital. It's believed the chaos in the area led to a tragic crash on the weekend. Chaos reigns on Burke Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. There are as many vehicles as people, all battling for a space on the sidewalk. It's a battle usually won by taxi and bus operators who've dominated the area. It's long been felt, however, that the situation, which has worsened over the years, could lead to tragedy. And it has. A 29-year-old woman was killed last weekend as she attempted to cross the busy thoroughfare. She was hit by a bus.
The Spanish Town police, they need help. The taxi men, they park on the roadside and leave nowhere for the pedestrian to commute. And as a result of this, the pedestrian has to be walking out in the road so as to go to their destination.
ROHAN BARRETT operates a gas station in the area. He says his business is also impacted by the unruliness.
Oh my God, in order to maintain this type of look, we have to employ no less than 7 security guards. And these security guards, they help us to regulate the flow of the traffic both in and out of this gas station. The problem that we have is the unruly taxi men and women who parked and block the entrance of this special station. God forbid, if there should be anything wrong, we won't be able to come out of this special station because of the illegal taxi that blocked the entrance.
Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott issued this warning.
I'm using this opportunity to warn them that we are going to be coming down very hard on them for not using the designated area. There is the JUTC area, which JUTC has given permission for those vehicles plying the Ensom, Eltham, Brunswick Avenue area to use, and they're not using it.
He also took issue with the vehicles parked at the gas station.
We at the Parish Council are the only authorized agents to operate a transport center. And we wrote to the operator advising him that what he was doing was illegal.
These bus and taxi that are parked on these premises, they are a member of our society. And being a member of our society, it allows them to get gas at a reduced price. It allows them to get money to borrow at a reduced interest rate. And also, and most importantly, it gives them the right to park on our property any given time.
The Spanish Town Traffic Department says it has carried out an operation in the area to restore order. However, citizens have questioned whether this will be sustained in the long run.